demonstrate how easy it is to remove the backhoe from the Kubota BX24 tractor using the B-expanded backhoe dolly. The dolly's rolled into place. There's a little down pressure from the boom. Pressure relief with a quick pin. Raising the boom, the backhoe tilts back onto the expanded dolly. We'll disconnect the hoses. Disconnect and reinstall the Power Beyond hose on the tractor. We'll use a bungee to keep the outriggers from leaking down, and simply roll it away to store it.